The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of WeVideo, which is a Chrome web app that is great for creating video presentations online. The nice part about it is that it can be synced to you or your students' Google Drive accounts, allowing you and your students to easily import photos, slides, videos, and documents, and record yourself on the spot. This app is available to your students on their Chromebooks. They can access this app by going to the lower left corner of their screens and clicking on the apps icon. If you are using this on a laptop or tablet, you can go to WeVideo.com or download the app from the Chrome Web Store. Once you have access to the main page of WeVideo, click on Sign Up to begin. From the available options at the bottom, select Free to get started. You'll be asked to sign up for a new account. From these options listed on the left, select Sign in with Google. It will ask you if it can access your email address and your basic account information. Then you can press Accept. Once you've done that, you'll be taken to a dashboard that looks like this. To get started, you can create a new project, or you can simply create a new video. Allow WeVideo a moment to load, and then you'll be able to access all of your editor tools. This is what a WeVideo storyboard looks like. There are three options for views. The first is a storyboard. The next is a timeline, which looks like this, and then there's also an advanced timeline. If working with younger students, the storyboard may be the best option. It's simple to understand and has an easy drag and drop fashion here at the bottom. To begin, you may want to upload media from your computer or your Google Drive. You can click on the icon that says Upload with the picture of a cloud. If you are using a Windows machine or a Mac, you may upload from your computer and browse to find images, videos, and other files. If you're using a Chromebook, you can import from the web. Google Drive is one of the options listed below. Once you click on the Google Drive import, all of the files that are stored within your Google Drive will show up here in a list. Select one that you'd like to use and press Upload. An upload bar will appear here on the right. You can tell that it's processing because there'll be a rotating arrow over this cloud image here on the right. It will say processing complete, registering, and then uploaded when that file has been successfully imported into your storyboard. Now, if we click on Storyboard, we have four options for media types. The first is video, then there's images. Here's the image that I just imported from my Google Drive account. There's audio and text. I can upload all of the types of media that I want to import into this video, and they will be available for me to use in this particular project. Another option I have is to click on Themes. WeVideo has included various themes which change the effects of the video, as well as include some music in the background. If you'd like to be able to import your own music and not have an existing theme, keep the selected Simple default. Now if I'm back on my storyboard view, I can begin selecting media and dragging it to the timeline here below. If I wanted to, I can start by importing a video. If you don't already have a video file, you can record yourself. Click on the recorder and press Allow. Your image will appear here on the screen, and you can press record when you're ready. You can also change the quality of the video to be higher or lower depending on your preference. Once you're finished recording, it will appear here as an available media file that you can simply drag and drop into the timeline below. If you want to edit that video, click on the pencil icon. Here you can change the length of the video file, cropping it down to a shorter amount. You can type in a caption for the video file. That will appear over this video. You can transform it so that it's rotated or flipped. And you can change the audio level to make it a little quieter if you'd like the music to be a little louder than the audio file. You can also choose to have it fade in instead of starting immediately. Once you've edited this video to your preferences, select the Done button. And now let's click on the next icon to import photos. If you've already uploaded a photo, you can press the Add button or drag it to the timeline. And once again, you can click on the Edit button to change the duration of time that that photo appears. You also have the ability to do that by selecting these arrows here within the video previewer itself. Transformation tools show up here as well, allowing you to rotate and flip this photo if you'd like to. If you no longer want any of the files that you've dragged into the timeline, there's always a red trash can available to you. If you're finished editing, you can press Done. Now, we can import music files from our drives or computers, or WeVideo has some available types of music files that you can import. You can simply play one to sample it and stop it at any point. If there's one that you like, you can add it to your timeline and it will be available here as a background sound. At any point, you can click on this speaker and you can make it quieter or louder depending on your preference, and it will play in the background of the video. Next, we can click on text and we can add a title and an ending of text if we'd like. If you select text and it puts the text box in a place that you don't want it to be, you can drag and reorder it. You can press on Edit and you can type the title of the video. And press Done. At any point, you can preview your video to see how it looks. Select the video file and press play.
Testing.
Once you're finished editing the video to your liking, you can click on the Publish button at the top. You can use the suggested name for the project, or you can name it something else if you'd like. Once you do this, you can select Publish Now and choose to publish this to WeVideo or to your Google Drive account. When it asks to set the resolution, there's one free option that you can keep selected and then press Publish Now. It may take a few minutes for it to load, and it will show up as processing in the corner. The next time you want to access this video, you can open your Google Drive account and click on the name of the video file. From there, it will open WeVideo and be available for you to continue editing. This tutorial has been intended to show you how to use WeVideo, which is a Chrome web app available to you and your students.